Hi friends, it is Miss Stephanie here again. I want to welcome you all to our math class today. I hope you had a great week from Monday to Thursday. Okay, quickly, today we are going to be talking about conversion of weight, okay? And we are learning to mention different units of measurement. We are also learning to order weights of objects in ascending and descending order. We are learning to order weights of objects in ascending and descending order. Okay? So before we do that, let's quickly do our fluency practice, which is our number talk. We are going to skip count in tens. I will leave you to do that because you are a professional. I know you can skip count in tens perfectly. But quickly, we've done this in class, but let me just talk about it in case people that have forgotten it. I want us to skip count in hundreds because we're actually going to be using it today. Hundreds, can you try? It's as easy as in tens. Let's go. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and the big number 1000. Okay? Just like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. But rather we are doing it in hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. Please, you can watch again to get this because we'll be needing it for this particular topic. Okay? Smart kids. Let's get cracking. We are learning to mention different units of measurement. Let's take this number one word quickly. We talked about inch when we're measuring our length, right? We talked about measurements of length and we used inch for the measurement. So that is actually one unit of measurement. Then apart from inch, we have the centimeters. We have the centimeter, that is the smaller one, that when you flip your ruler over, you will see it. The centimeters. Then we have meters. We also have gram and kilogram. So our focus for today, we are picking just two. Gram and kilogram. Gram, spelled as G-R-A-M, gram. G-R-A-M, gram. For kilogram, we have K-I-L-O-G-R-A-M, kilogram. Kilogram. Okay, so gram is a unit of measurement used to measure light objects. We use gram to measure light objects. That's my tissue. Just want to cut a little of it. So look at this. It's actually light, isn't it? Even my baby can carry this. It's really light. So when we want to measure the weight of this, the unit is going to be in gram. Alright? It could be 1 gram or 2 grams or 10 grams. Nobody knows until we measure. Okay? So we use gram to measure objects that really is a unit of measurement used to measure light objects. Unit of measurement. Secondly, we have the kilogram. Kilogram is a unit of measurement used to measure much heavier objects. Yes, the objects we use it for are actually heavier than those once we measure in grams. The unit for this is going to be in grams, while the unit of this, when we measure, is going to be in kilogram, because the weight is heavier than this. Okay, and the abbreviation is G is for gram. G is for gram, and kg is for kilogram. Kg is for kilogram. The K stands for kilo, while the G stands for gram. That's kilogram. And we have 1,000 grams are contained in 1 kilogram. So it means that 1,000 grams makes 1 kilogram. We have to keep counting 100, 200 grams, 300 grams, 400 grams, 500 grams, 600 grams, 700 grams, 800 grams, 900 grams. Then 1,000 grams will give us what? 1 kilogram. I have some. Over here, I have 200 grams, 300 grams, 400 grams. This is 454 grams, 500 grams, 800 grams, 900 grams. Then this is 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram. So it means that I have to get this, and maybe I don't have, okay, let me use this. It means that 800 grams plus 200 grams, we have to combine these together to get one of this. We have to combine 800 grams and 200 grams to get 1,000 grams, which will give us 1 kilogram. I hope you've not forgotten how we do our addition and subtraction. Okay, please just try 800 plus 200. This is gram. So it will give us what? 0, 0, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, 1. So that is 1,000 grams. And 1,000 grams will give us what? 1 kilogram. Now I have a very, put on your thinking cap. We are going to be doing some exercises. Remember that I said that each kilogram contains 1,000 grams. Now, between 1 gram and 1 kilogram, which do you think is more? Between 1 gram and 1 kilogram, which do you think is more? Put on your thinking cap and think. Did you say 1 kilogram? Then give yourself the old man's clap. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You've done a great job. It's actually 1 gram is more than 1 kilogram is more than 1 gram. So now the weight of the notebook you write with in class, that book you write it in class, what do you think should be the unit? Which units should we measure that book with? Is it in grams or in kilograms? We should measure the weight of a book in grams. Good, because it is heavy but not really that. It's actually light, it's not very heavy. Now what about an apple? an apple, the unit, should it be in grams or in kilograms? If you said grams, bravo, you've done great, that is correct. Now what about a boy? If you're a boy, look at yourself. If you're a girl, just look at yourself. What unit do you think we should measure you in? If we are measuring you, what unit will we attach to your weight? Is it, can we say 100 grams or kilograms? Remember, we use gram for something light and we use kilogram for something heavy. So what unit? Did you say kilogram? You are correct. Now what about a pencil? A pencil should be measured in gram, and a computer like my laptop. My laptop is actually kind of heavy, so I know that it should be measured in gram. It eventually will weigh more than this. So this is in kilogram. I bet my laptop is actually heavy, so we should measure my laptop in kilogram. So if we want to convert from kilogram to gram, remember that 1000 gram will give us 1 kilogram. Okay, so we've achieved this. Quickly list or mention some units of measurement that we talked about. Can you quickly mention some units of measurement that we talked about? Okay, I believe you've done a great job. Let us move to Word 2, which says other weights of objects in ascending and descending order. When we say ascending, we are moving from small to big. From small to big, or the lightest to the heaviest. That is ascending. You are growing. When Temi was a baby, she crawled. Later she became taller. You all did crèche, playgroup, nursery 1, 2, reception, before you came to my class. So it means that you're growing. That is how the grams grows until it becomes kilogram. Mommy was once like you, but now she's your mommy. So she has grown from being a baby to a mommy. That is how this gram has grown from being a baby to a big boy or a big girl. All right? Look at this things I have here. I want you to take a close look at it. We are trying to order our weight before it could be mixed up. All right? It could actually be mixed up. And when I say order, I mean I want you to order it in ascending, means from smallest to the biggest. The smallest or the lightest object, let me not use the word small because it's not how big a container is, determines how heavy it actually is. So this is 200 grams. It is the lightest. So I'll place it in front, followed by 300 grams. Go this way. Followed by, I thought I have 400 somewhere. Good. 400 grams. Okay. After the 200 comes the 300 grams, followed by 400 grams. Next is 454 grams, followed by 500 grams. Wow, we are still in grams. We've not even gotten to kilograms. In 500 grams, followed by, I have to be really careful so I don't make a mistake, 800 grams, followed by 900 grams followed by 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram means 1000 grams. So followed by 1 kilogram. Then this is 1.4 kilogram. You see? So I've arranged my containers in an ascending order from the lightest to the heaviest. Okay, so the question I asked initially, which was between 1 gram and 1 kilogram, which is bigger, I think this should answer your question. All right, 1 gram is nothing to 1 kilogram because it takes 1000 grams to give us 1 kilogram. So this is ascending order from the lightest to the heaviest. That is for ascending. Now we'll quickly arrange this container in descending order. All right, so I'm going to mix it up again. Sorry. So I'm moving this way. Descending means from the heaviest to the lightest. If it's number from the smallest to the biggest. So the heaviest is 1.4 kg, followed by 1 kg, followed kg means kilogram, followed by 900 grams, followed by 800 grams, followed by 500 grams, followed by 454 grams, followed by 400 grams, followed by 300 grams, and finally 200 grams. Finally 200 grams. So when we say descending, we are going from the heaviest to the lightest. The one in front is the heaviest, which is 1.4 kg, kilogram, and the lightest is 200 grams. Okay, so quick activity. These things, I got them from my house. So look around your house, see things you can get, order the weight from ascending to descending, and then you order again. Take a picture or a video of you doing that. You can arrange again from descending to ascending. Okay, so that is for the World 2. Quick question, are you good to go? My first question is, mention different units of length. Sorry, not length, mention different units of measurement. Okay, then number 2 is, all right, don't bother that I'm seated right now. Let's just continue. Okay, I want you to tell me what it means when you're being asked to order the weight of different objects from ascending to descending. You also need to tell me what it means to order from descending to ascending. Okay, so that's basically my question. Then check, I'll be uploading worksheets for you for extended activity and homework. Okay, thank you so much, and endeavor to stay safe. All right, have a splendid weekend. Do not, even if you have to go out, but just be very careful. All right, have a splendid weekend and stay safe. Bye.